Here are some of the best things to do in Cork, Ireland. We are in Cork, approaching the Shandon Towers, Bell Tower. What's so beautiful about this city is that all the colors of the houses are so eclectic and random, but so charming at the same time. Shandon Bells and Towers St. Anne's Church has become part of the tranquil skyline of the city and has been one of the most significant churches in Ireland since 1722. The church distinguishes itself with vibrant stained glass windows and beautifully vaulted ceilings. Climb up 132 steps, where on the way, visitors can ring the bells. This is also where you can capture a breathtaking 360-degree view of Cork, even if it's a little gray and windy. This is the top of the Shandon Tower. Earphones are required because of how loud it is when the bells are actually ringing. This is the Barre Museum in Cork. Right next to Shandon Tower is a Corky museum completely dedicated to butter. The Cork Butter Museum celebrates one of Ireland's oldest dairy products that truly thrived during the 18th century. The museum is a throwback to the prime time of salted butter. Too bad there isn't a tasting afterwards. The Crawford Art Gallery is not only a multi-floor space dedicated to both classical and modern art, it's also free to enter. The ground floor features Greek and Roman sculpture casts by Antonio Canova. In 1818, they arrived in Cork from the Vatican Museum in Rome. The other floors showcase 3,000 works ranging from 18th century Irish and European paintings and sculptures, including masterpieces by Jack B. Eads and Nano Reed. Eating at the English market. This is fish patties. Yum. And got myself a nice cup of latte. Since 1788, English Market has been the heart of the city's major indoor food market. For the best quality of produce, ingredients, and prepared Irish dishes, there isn't a better place that offers a wide selection that is both fresh and local. The English market has been woven into the fabric of the city's history and suffered through various hardships, including wars, floods, and even the Great Famine. On a very sunny day in Cork, which is very rare, we have the St. Finbarr's Cathedral right in front of us. The magnificent St. Finbarr's Cathedral stands tall on the south bank of River Lee. In 1870, English architect and designer William Burgess implemented various sculptures, mosaics, and stained glass windows that are full of hidden meanings. Just look at the surround sound system of organs hidden like treasures. Since the 7th century to today, the cathedral is situated where Christians can worship. For truly one of the best brewery tours in all of Ireland, stop by Franciscan Brewery, situated in a former Franciscan monastery. This microbrewery was opened in 1998 and it produces 5 beers and specializes in ale, lager, and stout. It's even more special since it's believed that the water from the monastery's well has healing powers. The brewery tour starts with an explanation in the mini factory, then ends with several tastings. We're at the Franciscan Wells, the monastery. Here is a taste of the Red Rebel, which Cork is known for. Caramelized taste, as opposed to being smoky, roasted. Cheers. Elizabeth Fort is a 17th century fort that was originally built as a defense, but later it became a military barracks, prison, and a police station. Now it's a heritage site where visitors can see beautiful views of the city. Check out Jetset's Cork travel guide for more information. If you like what you saw, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more travel content.